Hey guys, I got the TLR Typhon out. I just made a pass with it. I've had some steering servo issues and ESC cut issues, which is kind of odd because I've ran this combo so many times. Anyway, try it again. GPS is on and testing. 1 mile an hour. Picking up. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, it just cut right there. Very odd. I did that last time and then I was able to make a pull with it. It wasn't a long pull, but I did get full trigger, I believe. We'll see. Be interesting when I look at the logs. At least that was a longer pull. I hate it was the second run on the LiPo, so get it back my way. It's a little straighter that time. Thankful for that. Alright guys, hear that fan running anyway. Do have an error though. Let's see. Just picking up still. 130. That is not bad at all, guys. For that setup in a Typhon. So we're going somewhere with this thing, hopefully. Alright guys, as always, I appreciate you watching. And hopefully we can come back soon and get some more passes in.